Alright, since I talked that whole video away, which was part one of, how to make money as a targeted individual, different ways that I make money anyways, because I've been completely squeezed out and blacklisted from, like, I've handed out thousands of resumes in the last 3 years, and I got 3 calls in 3 years, and that's disgusting, and there's no explanation for something like that other than you have a really bad resume or you just like suck, and that's not the case. Because I went to the unemployment center and I showed them my resume and I told them my results, and they said, I don't see anything wrong with this resume. You might could use some more work experience in certain things, but really this is really not bad at all. Like, you have experience in, you have dishwashing jobs, like labor jobs, roofing, whatever, like all types of various things. So there's really, I don't understand how this is possible. So let's, and they didn't get me work either. They talked a lot of shit and they didn't do a fucking thing, by the way. And I showed up every single day, week after week, not every day, once a week, and it got me absolutely nowhere. It's just a fucking fraud. It's all fraudulent. It's just for display, so they can say, hey, there's resources out there, you're lazy, and then you go and you try to utilize these resources and they don't even fucking work. So anyways, it's a joke. So this is how I have made money. Okay, so do your this is Fiverr. Okay, Fiverr.com. Make sure you guys make an account. Okay, you're gonna want to offer your services. Just think of some shit. Okay, it started just randomly with me. I didn't know what the fuck I was doing with any of this shit. I learned one piece at a time, and it became an asset, and I started making money. It took a long time, but you can get a head start, because I'm telling you, if I can do it, you can do it. So this is do your site Wix SEO correctly, ranking you on Google. Okay, that's one of my services listed on Fiverr. Shows the impressions, views, the clicks, orders, blah blah blah. I just made a new account and I just listed these services, because my old account I was a I think level 1 or level 2 seller, I can't remember. And I had some issues with that account. I had to make a new one. So all of my stats went out the fucking window, which pisses me off. But anyways, be your personal ghostwriter. You would be shocked. Okay, look at the number of impressions. Okay, versus the other ones. Okay, that's the best one at the bottom, which is mix and master your vocals, which I'm going to show you guys how I do that with that program right there. Okay, it took 10 years of audio engineering experience. I have my own Sincere Sound, okay, Sincere Sound Audio Engineering, which is right there. These ads right here where it says ad, that doesn't count. What's first on Google is always the organic result, which is not one of these that has an ad. There's always 3 or 2 ads in front of the first result on Google when you search Sincere Sound Audio Engineering. My website is first. I don't even have a domain and I still ranked it first. Okay, so that just shows my SEO skills, and it's a fucking Wix website now. So point blank period, it took me a long time of just messing around with all this shit, but I had to make websites for myself. I had to learn how to do all this shit because the system squeezed me out. You know what I mean? I had no other choice. So I'm fucking out there like, yo, how can I do this? I will do it, and I will figure out how to do it, and I did. Over time, it became an asset. So anyways, you can go ahead, Google that, Sincere Sound Audio Engineering. Go on my website, check out my services if you need any services for audio engineering. I only charge like $20 a song, and when you go and listen to the quality that I produce, you're gonna be like, how did you do that? Because that sounds like it was recorded and produced in $100,000 studio, and I can do that with very limited equipment. You know what I mean? So 10 years of producing my own music, audio engineering, mixing, editing, and mastering my own music for 10 years. You know, well, over 10 years now. I mean, that was started when I was 15, recording, writing, audio engineering, etc. It's a little dark, but I need to make that so you guys can see the screen. So I'm not going to change that. I could change it like this, blah blah. But anyways, yeah. So what I want to show you guys. Okay, so that's the audio engineering side of things. I'll even start this program up so you guys can see the program that I use and stuff like that, which I don't pay for because I'm a fucking anonymous hacker, you know what I'm saying, straight ethical hacker, and I just get whatever the fuck I want, and I'm just kidding. But yeah, see, as you can see, that's me, and that's my company, which is first on Google, Sincere Marketing British Columbia, social media marketing agency, so you can check that out. Because I'm going to get into details now, because I didn't get to do that in the other video. I was talking too much. So anyways, sorry for the shakiness. This is my website also. All these websites are mine. I made them myself. I did the SEO. I ranked them on Google, etc. I made every single thing you see, like that Canadian flag, I put that there, the American flag. Sign up tab, I made these tabs, benefits, training, career, and then I'll show you there's more. And I made all of these tabs and all the context on each one of these tabs. Affiliate programs, stay-at-home moms, more info, contact, about, testimonials, why do I have to pay $40? First of all, when you do sign up to this company, you have to pay $40 because it pays for your membership with your benefits package and your membership card, which you're gonna get a membership card and a benefits package in the mail, and it's going to have your first and last name on it and your ID number on it, showing that you're an agent of that company, an independent sales associate, and you can use that card for benefits. You have roadside assistance now as a member of the company. So you do get benefits. You get over $150,000 worth of benefits when you pay that $40. Roadside assistance. You get, discounts on prescription, dental, vision, up to 40%. Hotels, discounts on hotels for up to 40%. Life insurance, health insurance. Like, they'll pay your hospital bills if you get hurt. This company will bail you out up to $25,000 if you're arrested in a vehicle-related crime, like if you killed somebody by accident, like a manslaughter, you ran someone over or some shit. They will bail you out up to $25,000, which will allow you to fight your case, because you cannot fight a case from the inside. You will lose regardless if you're right or wrong. That's just how the system works. Sincere Music, that's me. That goes to my music, to my website. So that's how you know, obviously, this is my website. There's multiple ways to figure that out. If you go on the website, you'll definitely figure out that it's my website. Pretty sure even one of my videos is on here somewhere. Maybe not on this one, but so you can watch the video, right? Go on the website, watch the video. Also, you can see how to sign up. There's a tab that right here that shows you how to sign up. Click that, and then you can watch the video. Or you can sign up right here, become a member, get your benefit. Bam, pay your $40. Become an affiliate. It only takes 2 minutes. It's easy. I'll walk you through the process if you decide that you want to do something like this and make money. Here is the Better Business Bureau rating. You can click that when you go on the website, and it'll lead to betterbusinessbureau.org. And if you don't know what that is, then you definitely are coming from a place of ignorance if you're going to say anything negative against this company. Like, weirdos like to say anything to do with making money online has to be a pyramid scheme, has to be a Ponzi, has to be a fucking scam. So if you're that ignorant and uneducated that you don't know what BBB is, then you just do not belong here or having an opinion against companies at all. Because if you don't know how to determine properly how a company is legitimate or not, which is through Better Business Bureau, which is internationally fucking known, like there's no way for you not to know that, then you just go continue on. You know what I mean? So why do I have to pay $40? Click here. It'll explain everything to do with the benefits, everything that you're gonna get with that $40. And now you're a member of the company. You can start earning with this company. You're gonna have your benefits package and your membership card to show people physically, like, yo, I'm with this company. Here's my name on it, my first and last name, my ID number, the 1-800 number to the company. There's my video right there on the website. You can go ahead and watch that, and then watch the other videos, because it will blow your mind. And this is an amazing company. Like, I can't lie. Like, this is legit, man. I've made thousands of dollars with this company, and it saved my ass, man. Like, it's just it still makes me money here and there. I don't promote it really anymore, just because I'm on other things, but it's $80, man. Every time somebody signs up, and all I gotta do is promote this website. All I gotta do is share it, share it, tag people, share the videos, tag people, and explain the benefits, tell them to check out the benefits, right? There's a benefits tab, and you guys are gonna be completely amazed with the amount of benefits that you get with this company. Just alone, like, it's just you don't even need to care about making money with the company. You just people there's over 9 million members of this company, and that was like in 2012. You know what I mean? So it's a heavy duty company. It's the best roadside assistance in Canada or the U.S. Statistically. So there's training. So if you're like, oh, I can't do this shit, I started not knowing anything what the fuck I was doing, and there was training. So I just sat there and watched the videos, and I was like, oh shit, maybe I can actually do. Let me get clever here. And then guess what I did? I'm like, okay, well, I need a website. How do I make a website? Shit, damn. Then I had to make a website. But guess what? You guys don't, because when you sign up, you get free training. You get a free website. Well, you get 4 websites, and they all attach to your affiliate links. So no matter what, when you share those websites, if anybody signs up on that website or any of your websites, you will make an $80 commission. So yeah, like, you don't really got to do nothing. You get a free website. Like, all you do is just put it out there, talk to people, give it a shot. It's worth it. It's made me thousands of dollars. No, it didn't get me rich. Do I really make much money off of it now? No, because I don't promote it. Could I take this video, drop $1,000 behind it, and reach 1.3 million people, and probably get 1,000 signups out of that? Possibly. What is $80 times 1,000? $80,000. Okay, there you go. Will I do that in the future? Yeah, I will. Why haven't I done it already? Because there's a growing process to everything, right? And it took me 10 years to even get to the point where I could take and make that $1,000 work for me to get an ROI, which is a return on investment. Okay. And now I have everything set up perfectly. So now once I have the advertising budget to just blow $1,000 on an advertising budget, which is not going to be just blown, because now I can make an ROI off of my past experience in advertising and working with this company. Now I know how much I need to spend, how I need to set up my ads, etc. I can help you with that. There's training for that, blah, blah, blah. You don't have to make ads. That's just when you want to make the big money. You can literally sit there all day and message people on Facebook, get 5-10 signups, there's $1,000. Get paid, you get paid weekly direct deposit, it'll go into your bank, or your PayPal account, and then you can show people proof of this payment, and then you can make your own video and be like, look, I just did this is legitimate, it's, and it works, there's no fake shit, no corny ass shit. I can't stand corny people. Like, I need real people that come from the streets that figured out how to make money online. That's what I need, because those are the real motherfuckers that are not beating around the bush, that are not fucking trying to scam and finesse and do shit, because they just want the money. They want to get to the shits. They want the real, okay? And don't waste my fucking time unless it is. And that's who I am, and that's how I am. So if you agree with that, then you're on the right fucking video, and you're gonna make money because you finally met someone real that fucking actually made the money, and is going to continue. But like I said, Facebook completely wiped me out, fucked me right over on purpose, because they seen I was making money. They knew I was making money, and they just couldn't allow that, because if Corey Resilient reaches 1 million people, well, guess what? What's $1 times 1 million? Oh, that's $1 million. Well, guess what? If I can reach 1 million people, I know I can make $1 million. That's not a fucking problem. The problem is them stopping me before I get to reach the 1 million people. That's the issue. So, anyways, here's the verified page. That's the one I will be advertising from, which is verified. Clothing line, like I said, we got all types of stuff. We got Be Resilient on here. We got I don't need a gun, I got Jesus. We got yoga. We got stuff for women. We got I Am Resilient what do you call it, whatever you call that. We got blankets. We got phone cases. I Am Resilient phone cases. like iPhone, Android, everything. Like we got every Be Resilient, I Am Resilient, Be Resilient, hoodies, T-shirts, Law of Attraction hoodies, I Am Resilient pillows, yoga sweaters, like bushcraft T-shirts, sweaters. Uh, yoga is my healing sweaters for the ladies out there. Um, I don't need a gun. I got Jesus. Facts. Bullets been bouncing off me like Neo in the Matrix. Mugs, everything. Like you just wouldn't believe it, right? So you can do that too with Teespring, and I'll teach you guys how to do that too. Just hit me up in the comments, man, and just leave your email or email me at CoreyResilient@gmail.com. And you gotta be serious though. I'm not fucking trying to waste my time on people that are talking about doing shit that aren't gonna do nothing. You know what I'm saying? So I'm on my own mission trying to make my own money, and if you want to, then these are the ways that you can make money. Because you know me, you know as much as I allow you to know about me, and that's enough to know that I'm a pretty real guy, and I'm just, straight to the point. So then there's Cloud Phone, and that's you make $90 per commission, which my internet is just free. It keeps freezing on this page right now, so I'm not even gonna try that. But that's already on. If you go and click here, Cloud Phone on this website. So get paid to use Facebook. I will leave all these links, and you're gonna see it all. So audio engineering, personal ghostwriter. So many people ordered that, couldn't fucking believe it. $20 a verse. People were paying me, and they were pleased with the verses that I was providing because I am an artist and I've been making music and writing and recording for since I was 15. I'm 28 in a month. And here, what else we got? Here we got shoot professional video footage, stock footage, and photos with Canon T6i. That's the camera I got. And then we got the audio engineering. Boom, boom. So there you go. That's and there's other things that I do. Online. Everything is legal. Everything is Better Business Bureau accredited. None of it is any type of scam shit. Would never fuck with it and would never recommend it to anybody and fuck my name up over some stupid shit. It's just not gonna happen. So if you want to just start uploading pictures to Shutterstock, your photos, you can start making money randomly, and that picture can be purchased a million times and from the same person if they want. Like it don't matter. Like people just keep buying the same fucking picture. So anyways, yeah, I'm gonna leave all the links below for every single one of these things, and I'm telling you guys, you gotta get into it. You gotta start now because we don't have much time before they get the internet too, bro. So let's get it, man. Hit me up and let's start making this money together if you want to join.